Yeah, hello YouTube. I sit here and play around with my controller here. It has started to work alright, so I can position it automatically inside, yeah, about plus minus 1/10 of a millimeter, and that is more than enough. So positioning the saw blade on a sawmill is not really a precision thing. You are happy if you can do that inside a millimeter, or inside half a millimeter, I would say. If you can do that, then you are then that's fine here. So it's an Arduino ESP32, a touchscreen, as you see. I have some screens, 3 screens. This should be my main screen. I press up or down to move it up or down one full board, including the curve. And then I have a free position, so I can go up a millimeter. And I can then say 2 millimeters instead, or 3, say 3, then I go down 3 millimeters. Like that. So it works pretty nicely here. Some settings, board thickness, curve, zero adjustment. So if I need to position home it in CNC terms, save it. Auto speed is a way to determine the relation between PWM rate and actual speed. So I had to do an automatic thing there. Acceleration, speed up and down, that is more a display of what is actually capable. And some servo parameters for the pin tuning there, and that is it. So I have worked with this in the evenings for several months actually. So it has been a long project, but I now feel it is coming together pretty nicely. And it also survives that I start the motor. It's one of those 6 horsepower, even if it is said 7.5, it isn't more than 6 horsepower. So when I run that, this still works. And so the protocol here, so this is one of those DROs here, sorry for the backlight there, but it is so nice with the sun outside. This caliper protocol, bin 6, I have 2 of those pickups, and one delivers 3 volts and one delivers 1.5 volts, so one has to be a little bit careful there, so one has to adjust the PCB for that. But overall, really works nice. I have the native DRO display there. If this one fails, I can reboot this one. Should be able to reboot this one. I hope that works. It works, and then it maintains the position it had. So I can go in and reprogram it and do other things with the system. Anyways, and I'm so proud over the system. I'm so happy that it works. But this is not what this video is about anymore. It has already been about this, but now it is about this one. So this is a belt tensioner I have here. So it sits here, and it gives me a way to tension the belt. So the first one I made, it has a weakness here, and reality has a tremendous capability to find all the weaknesses, so it broke for me just the other day. And I made a new one, and that one was wrong. The dimension there is wrong, otherwise it works fine. So what I will do is a little bit of a relaxing turning job. It is just to turn it down here and there, and a little bit of milling around there. Threading in the end, and the right length, of course, that is a critical part. And then fixate this here, and I think I will glue this, or I will glue this in place. I think that will be strong enough if I select the right glue. So now I think we do some music here. Before the music completely takes over, I have to show you. This is what I'm going to do. It isn't the most difficult of things. 10 millimeter, and that is for this flange bearing. And that is according to this one. So this one will hold that one. It's so difficult when I can't find the words. 10 millimeter M6 screw in the end, and on the other side there is also 10 millimeter for another flange bearing. But there is a key there I have to just mill down. And I have this stock. So I think that will be fine. So, okay, now we do music. and some black paint to hide all the arrows, and some black paint to make it look nice. So I see that it is pretty tight here. It is a completely new belt, so I expect it to wear in. So yeah, anyways, I have the centrifugal clutch over there, and that will do the freewheeling, so to say. But I do need to tension it up just a little bit there. Yeah, I didn't show that. So this arm here is glued onto that shaft I just made. So it's only the glue that keeps it in place, so it doesn't rotate. On the other side though, there is a key. I think that can be better. So there is quite some adjustment possibilities through the turnbuckle. Yeah, so it might work. I would like the hole to be down there though. Should I do the lazy approach and try it, or the real way? The real way. So I want to have some more holes to choose from. And some paint to hide all the mistakes, and some paint to make it look nice. Then there are much more options. I think there is not bad. If I tighten it up. It's not obvious which direction, yeah. So I think that is fine. So this is one of those self-locking levers. Oh, I better screw it in place first. I'll do that and then we'll come back and check it. Properly screw down and thread locking applied. I think this can be it. I can tighten it up pretty good there. But the slack is not very much slack, but I think it will wear in there a bit. But yeah, we will see. It will work anyway because of the centrifugal clutch there. So I think that's how it will be. And it doesn't get more exciting than this, so it is time to end this video. Thank you for watching.